Okay, a week in the life of me cooking for Ramadan. So for the first day, the thing that I made was just like a rice and chicken dish. I remixed this garlic and ginger fried rice, and yeah, I just put in some eggs in there, protein, and some corn on the cob that I had in the freezer, and then some shredded chicken. Then for the second day, I made kebabs. Really excited for that. And I was pairing that with the kebab that I made beforehand. I'll probably upload a video of like how I prepped for Ramadan, like beforehand, what I did. Let me know in the comments down below. Yeah, so we had kebab for the second day, and then the third day was mussels and pasta. I'm a pasta lover, so I had to throw that in there. Yeah, I just sauteed the mussels, mixed in the pasta, and I ended up being like OD on this day because it was super, super cold. So then I decided to make a egg drop soup, which you're about to see me shred the chicken for. Yeah, I decided to make an egg drop soup, and because I'm extra, so extra, I couldn't make just one soup. I had to make two. So I made the egg drop soup, and I also made a chowder as well. And we also paired this with garlic bread, so it was really giving Olive Garden, if you know what I mean. Okay. Yeah. There's the chowder. Oh yeah, I had to put scallions in both of them. It was basically the same soup with the different variations, but it was really yummy. I really like the chowder, the egg drop soup. I think I was I don't know what happened with the egg drop. Oh yeah, there's the chowder, it's done. But I'm not sure what I did with the egg drop. Did I not put the egg at the right time? But it was okay. I just think it could be better. Yeah. So there's the egg drop, there's the chowder, garlic bread, pasta. Okay, this is me seasoning the tandoori chicken that was for a Sunday. Yeah, so we had Indian food. My dad likes Indian food. So yeah, the wings. Then I saw this palak paneer. And then I decided to add sides because I'm extra again. So we did that. And then there was like a marsala and then naan bread. And then I had samosas that I prepped before Ramadan started. And yeah, it was pretty good. And then I made kebabs. Shish kebabs, I believe. This is me marinating the vegetables and the meat. I think I marinated the same day that I was like cooking the tandoori wings. Yeah, it was for Monday because the Indian food was on Sunday. Yeah. So that's me halving the marinade that I was going to use while I was like grilling the kebabs to like, you know, put it on there. Yeah, so I started out on the grill but ran out of gas. So you're going to see me move to the skillet grill. Still came out really good. Was a crowd favorite to say the least. And then I had to be extra again. This is me making tahini. If I'm saying that wrong, sorry. Making that from scratch because I couldn't find it at the store. And then I made hummus, but I needed the tahini to make the hummus. So I had to roast the sesame seeds and all of that. And this is my hummus. I learned a trick with the spoon. I was really excited to dress it up. I didn't have olives to put on the hummus, but that is okay. Yeah, she looking real cute. Real cute hummus, and it was delicious. Okay, I was dipping the kebab inside the naan bread and then dipping in the hummus. It was scrumdiddlyumptious, and I believe this is the baba ganoush. Okay, so then on the next day, I made peri peri hot, extra hot chicken, and the grill was working because we got gas. And then I made peri peri rice to go with the chicken. This was really, really good. I got a nice char on the chicken, and I was cooking outside. I've been really enjoying cooking outside on the grill lately. It's been a blast. But yeah, the rice came out really nice. It came out really spicy because I didn't expect the sauce to be that hot, and I put Scotch bonnet in the rice. Just one though. But yeah, this was a spicy day. It was real spicy, but it was so good. I want to make it again. It was so good. It was basically gone. Oh, and I made fries. KFC secret fries. Might release the video. Oh, also, and my mom made these pancakes. I don't know what they're African pancakes, but they're flatter. Like, you use the ladle. These go so well with some hot peppery sauce. If you know. So good. So literally this day was like pepper festival. Like, the spice was spicing this day. But they were so good. And again, with the pepper sauce, scrumdiddly yum yum yum. Yeah, pancakes. I didn't make these, but I was going to include them because they were part of the dinner. They was appetizing. Also, it's really satisfying just to watch these like get poured in the pot and then plop up to the top. And this is what they look like when they're done. The cornstarch on there is from me frying something. It's my fault. Yeah. Oh, and Pyrenees. Always a good deal.